Learn and identify uppercase letters in English. Hello learners! Welcome to today's video where we are going to talk about uppercase letters in the English alphabet. This will be a fantastic starting point for those of you who are just beginning to learn English, as well as a good review for others. Remember, mastering the basics is the key to becoming proficient in any language. To begin with, let's recall that the English alphabet consists of 26 letters, both in uppercase and lowercase versions. However, today, we are going to focus specifically on the uppercase, or capital letters. These are the letters in uppercase: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It is crucial to familiarize yourself with these letters because they form the basis of English reading and writing. Now, it's time to practice identifying these letters. When you see an uppercase letter, it usually stands at the start of a sentence or at the beginning of a proper noun, like a person's name or a place's name. For example, the sentence, "The cat is sleeping," starts with the uppercase letter T. The name, John, starts with the uppercase letter J. See how that works? However, uppercase letters can also appear in abbreviations or acronyms, such as USA, UNESCO, or NASA. These are all written entirely in uppercase letters. Identifying uppercase letters is important for several reasons. 1. It helps you recognize the beginning of sentences. 2. It helps you identify proper nouns, names of specific people, places, or things. 3. It helps you read and understand abbreviations and acronyms. Understanding and recognizing uppercase letters is a basic skill that will greatly improve your English reading proficiency. That brings us to the end of this video on identifying uppercase letters in the English language. Remember, practice is key. So try to spot uppercase letters when you're reading in English. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Stay tuned for more videos where we will continue exploring the wonders of English language learning. Happy studying!